Hi everyone, my name is Hannah Wilson, and this is my my submission for the assignment Eportfolio for the course Technology for Leading and Learning. So first I just have my name in the upper left-hand corner, and then the main idea of my website, which is my public relations portfolio. Then underneath you can see 3 revolving slides that if you click on the dots you can make them stay on them, but they also just switch automatically. And for the first one I included a picture of a city with a lot of people because I think that some really important aspects of the public relations industry is human connection and communicating with others. So then next I have a pretty simple slide that just says what I'm studying and where I'm studying it. And then lastly, the third slide says select the 3-bar menu to your upper right to learn more. So up here we have my About Me page next, where I included a picture of myself and a little paragraph talking about my goals, aspirations, what I'm studying, specifically where I'm studying it and what I would like to do in the future, which is do something that combines public relations and the fashion industry. So that's why I included these 2 images below that kind of go along with that. And then also I really liked this quote because I felt like it embodied what I wanted to do through my career in public relations, which is, in a world of algorithms, hashtags, and followers, know the true importance of human connection. I thought that was super important. And then under that, there's just a little message submission area, which I thought was pretty cool. Then next we have my resume page, which is pretty simple. It's just my resume with my name, email, past and current education, job experience, skills and talents, volunteer experience, and then also some service clubs and organizations that I've been a part of in the past. And then second to last, we have my work tab, which for this tab, it was a little bit harder for me to figure out what to put on here because I am not an education major and I've switched my major a few times, so I'm still at the beginning of my public relations degree and I don't really have any work that's specific to that yet. I'm still doing mass communications classes, but instead I decided to insert some pictures that represented the past work I've done and the little girl I nanny over here, and then a little paragraph saying some valuable lessons and skills that I've learned from having those experiences. Lastly, we have my blog page, which just says a little bit about where this link is taking you, and if you click it, it takes you to my WordPress blog. So yeah, I loved using this website. I loved Wix. I honestly thought that after a few days of me playing around with it, it was so much easier to use than WordPress over the entire semester for me. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed, and thank you for watching.